is Bhagavad Gita. I read it so many times, my favorite. But they teach the art of inner happiness, higher consciousness, freedom of stress. I'm a monk, I teach yoga. We help a lot of people in print books, so we just ask for donations for them. And it's good fun. Yeah, but would you like to give a donation? Everyone just gives a donation to help out. We use cash or Apple Pay or card or whatever.
Ask for the book. Whatever donation. It's a very nice thing. Some of 4 books are 5.
Yeah, that's good. Happiness? This is called the Srimad Bhagavatam, originally in Sanskrit, but you better read the English part, you might be rusty on that. Maybe he reads the Sanskrit.
Yeah.
And this is called freedom of stress, peace of mind. I'm a monk, yo soy monje. We help a lot of people in print books, so we just ask for donations for them.
But the soul in its pure state is completely free from this type of moving around different bodies. Like whenever you go through this, you have the disease, you have the old age, all this. But for the soul, there is no birth, there is no death. It's always pure and happy. So to come back to that happy state, that's the message. Like here, for example, just now I told you, if you look at this here the 5 houses represent 5 senses. Eye, nose, ear, tongue and skin. 5 houses. And the ropes are the mind.
I'm a traveling monk.
The mind is the leader of the senses. Just like mind is the boss, they are the servants.
Beautiful art.
So if you control the mind, control the intelligence. And how is the mind controlled? Drive the intelligence. The intelligence has a...
This is called hiding in unnatural happiness.
You know what to do, what to do.
This is my favorite Bhagavad Gita. And this is the Srimad Bhagavatam. Originally in Sanskrit. So they teach the art of inner happiness, higher consciousness, freedom of stress. Beautiful, huh? This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural. Oh no, this is called the 4 questions of pathway to inner peace. We could always use more inner peace.
Definitely.
And this is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness.
Just take the cost of the printing and publishing and distributing.
I'm a monk. I teach yoga. Yo soy monje.
Oh, really?
And we print books, so we just ask for a donation for them.
Oh, it's for free?
Well, we ask for a donation. You give a donation, and we take. How much is that?
Oh, but how much is it?
You can't put a price on wisdom. We use Apple Pay or card, or cash, whatever you like.
About 50 to 60. 5 0.
I'm not expecting to spend money to... Because I maybe another. Maybe. No, it's connected to the Bible? Yeah, I have.
This is actually from India. These are 5,000 years old. These books here, 5,000, long before the Bible.
Oh, before the
So this
Bible.
is, yeah. But I mean, we don't contradict the Bible. We actually glorify Jesus in the Bible. So yeah, when we have that, then we're completely happy. Then we're satisfied. If we don't have cash, we have a card.
Probably if once you given a card, these 2 books she has.
Yeah.
She already has some of the books.
Okay. Okay. How much would you like to give?
What is the...
Typically, people give anywhere between 30 and 50. However,
You got this book already.
I have this book because another person of the temple, I think 1 month ago, or maybe 2.
I found it interesting, right?
I have many books.
So this is the famous Bhagavad Gita. For every verse you have word translation. Yes.
Okay,
Mind management.
bye.
I really like these two.
These are very nice.
I forgot
Oh yeah.
everything. How much is it?
Typically, people give anywhere between 30 and 50, or whatever you like. You tell me. It's up to you. Okay, this is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness. This is about natural inner happiness. This is the Srimad Bhagavatam, written originally in Sanskrit.
I am late, very late.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. This is called the 4 questions, the pathway to inner peace. We could always use more inner peace, right? But everyone just gives a donation. Can you give a donation?
How do I do
We
that?
use Apple Pay or cash or card or whatever you like.
Oh, I have cash.
Okay. Yeah, you can't put a price on wisdom. But typically people give anywhere between 40 and 60. This is a class. Yeah, let me show you. Oh, you're in high school. They're all high school students.
High school, middle school.
Let me show the teacher too. Look at this here. This is called Wisdom Art in the park. There's the Himalayas there. This is called the 4 questions, a pathway to inner peace. We could always use more inner peace, right? This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness.
Yeah.
This is the Srimad Bhagavatam, originally in Sanskrit. You better read the English, probably. Might be rusty on that.
Okay.
And this is the famous
Very nice
Bhagavad
book
Gita.
about the 4 questions.
So we just
Yeah,
asked
very
for,
interesting book.
We just asked for donations for them.
Even
Yeah, unfortunately, we're on a school
this
tour
one.
and didn't expect this.
Yeah.
So, guys, we got to get back on the tour. So, thank you. So,
Thanks, man.
Thanks anyway.
yeah.
Thank you. Just freedom of stress, peace of mind. I'm a monk. I teach yoga. We help a lot of people in print books. So we just ask for donations for them.
For me?
Well, yeah, but can you give a donation? We just ask. That's good karma. Well, you can't put a price on wisdom.
I don't know.
We use Apple Pay. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the book. This is called the Srimad Bhagavatam, originally in Sanskrit. We suggest you read the English part. You might be rusty on that. And this is my favorite, the famous Bhagavad Gita. But they teach, you heard of this, right? This is called Wisdom Art in the Park. This is called the 4 questions, a pathway to inner peace. We could always have more inner peace, right? This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness. I'm from Florida. Where are you from?
Kian, nice to meet you guys.
Kian?
Yeah, sir, Hindu.
Hindu.
Hindu, nice, nice.
Well, more.
Yeah, it's
Let me show you. 30 seconds. He knows about Kundalini. That's pretty cool. This is the Himalayas. You've been to the Himalayas yet?
Yeah.
You have?
No, I'm familiar with like a lot of like Hindu.
Oh yeah. Okay.
beliefs and stuff.
This is called the 4 questions, a pathway to inner peace. We could always have more inner peace, right? This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness. This is about natural.
Parvati.
We have it in English. We have it in English for you here.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite. You probably heard of the Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita, yeah.
That's my favorite. They teach the art of inner happiness, higher consciousness, freedom of stress. Say hello to them.
Yeah.
So we don't sell them. We just ask for a donation for
yeah.
it.
I can grab a book, but I.
Can you give a donation?
I lived in Miami.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was there for 12 years.
Oh, nice.
Where in Miami?
I was in Coral Gables.
This is the Himalayas there. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
This is called the 4 questions, pathway to inner peace. We could always have some more inner peace.
For like ebooks, I'll take a question. I'll like to take pictures of them so that I am aware of what they are, such that I can later find PDFs because. Thank you.
All right. You mean
At all Indian.
layer? Okay.
Yes, you can have this too.
This is the Himalayas there. This talks about meditation. Beautiful. This is called the 4 questions, pathway to inner peace. We could always have more.
You know,
inner
George
peace.
Harrison was a British too.
This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. God has a lot of unnatural happiness.
Oh yeah.
This is the famous Bhagavad Gita. But they teach the art of inner happiness, higher consciousness, freedom of stress. I'm a monk. You're a monk. We help a lot of people.
Focus.
So we just ask for a donation.
Traditionally, you will find this time of memorial.
Contribution.
That you will find chanting,
We use Apple Pay or card or cash.
especially in this day and age. It's the age of distraction and chanting.
Okay. Thank you. There's the Himalayas there. Beautiful, huh? This is called the 4 questions, a pathway to inner peace. We could always have more inner peace, right? This is called hiding in unnatural happiness. There's a lot of unnatural happiness. The Srimad Bhagavatam, the famous Bhagavad Gita, my favorite. They teach the art of inner happiness, higher consciousness, freedom of stress, peace of mind. I'm a monk. I teach yoga. We help a lot of people to print books, so we just ask for a donation.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have cash right now, but.
We use Apple Pay or card or whatever you want.
Oh, do you guys have cell?
which many are not
No one has
aware.
cash
In
anymore.
this world, if everybody is born a small baby, and they grow into a small boy and a youth, and the old age comes, and the body is like a mortal coil, that's always.
What's the phone number?
213
Mm-hmm.
326.
Yeah.
Right? And
It's asking for a last.
Last name?
Yeah.
M?
But they have tried that. What you're saying is not a new thing. They have tried it already.
Yeah, but they've been successful.
They have never been successful.
Yes, they have.
No, from red matter they have never made it.
Yes, they have.
So,
I'm from Germany originally, but I grew up in California. Oh, this is Vaishnavism, similar to Hinduism. That's okay.
I just copied down
No
the
problem.
ISKCON. This next, I'll look down and try to find the electronic one that I prefer.
So, Can you take, which one do you like the most?
I do have to go to
Vijay Prabhu, he
Meditation?
likes this Bhagavad Gita. You want to take some small donation?
Sure. We're going to do Apple Pay?
Yeah, I get
Okay.
that.
Thank you so much. So, yeah, you can't put a price on wisdom. Typically, people give anywhere between 20 and 30, or however you feel.
yeah, sure.
How much would you like to give?
I got 15.
I'll type it for you.
Yeah. You can do it.
Okay, Apple Pay?
I'll just like send you an email.
You can take that. Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you.
I will send you more on what I spoke to you just now.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be happy to read it.